Hi friends, welcome all to SPK Trading. Hope all are doing well. And we can check what we stock provided last time and how it is performed. So first one we can check McDowell's. McDowell's beef suggested price around 509. If any 5 minutes candle close above 509, we suggested for buy entry. But anyway, we got an entry here, but there is a fake entry and it it is considered as a stop loss hit. So that day market and the stock traded as a range, and for experienced person they can make a profit according to their strategy, support and resistance. And next stock Muthoot Finance, the suggested price is around 825. If we can take a buy entry above 825, but the market is that the stock is opened only gap up around 830, and it hit our target 836 and make a high of around 846. So for experienced person they can easily make a money. For freshers there is no entry. And next stock is Tech Mahindra. Our suggested price is above 522, so it hit our target 528 and it make the high of around 537. So friends, here I am what I want to say is, who are take entry on 522, so this is a first target. So you can wait until any candle close this moving average. This is a 20 period moving average. So this entire candle is properly respecting the moving average. So you can follow, you can trail the stop loss like that. Whoever take the entry on 522, so near when it is going to touch our first target 528, then you can around, you can give the target around, sorry, stop loss around 528. Like that you can trail, you can use this moving average. So when the moving average candle close by this moving average, below this moving average, then you can exit. So whoever take the entry here, so until this candle around 534, you can hold the stock. Okay, it will work only trend market. So I'm just telling, that's the reason it is only working trending market. In range market it will not work. Okay, so we can check what stock we are going to suggest for Monday. Okay, so before starting, just take these important notes and read it carefully and follow it. Okay, whatever stock we are providing here, it is only for educational purpose. Before taking any position, do your own technical analysis. The first stock we are suggesting is Reliance. You can buy above 1566 and target is 1580, and you can sell below 1555 and the target is 1539. This we can look on chart. If any 5 minutes candle close above 1566, you can take the buy entry. Only take entry after 9:30. It's only applicable for freshers, and the target is 1580. And if any 5 minutes candle close below 1555, you can take the sell entry and the target is 1539. And any 5 minutes or 15-minute candle close below this 1539, you can trail the stop loss. Okay, if any big candle closing this support, then again there is a chance for fall down. The same thing applicable for here also. If any 5 minutes or 15 minutes candle close above 1580, there is a chance for going upward. Okay, so maximum try to trail your stop loss. So next stock is Godrej, and this stock you can buy above 501 and the target is 507, and you can sell below 498 and the target is 492. And this is a Godrej chart. If any 5 minutes candle close above 501, and you can take the buy entry. And before taking entry, just check this 20 moving average also. the candle should be above this moving average. Okay, and apply your own technical analysis also, and everything is okay, then you can take the entry. And if you buy this above 501, then the target price is 507. Okay, so if in 5 minutes candle close below 498, and you can take the sell entry, and the target is 492. So next stock is Pidilit. Pidilit you can buy above 1375, and target is 1387, and you can sell below 1361, and the target is 1350. This we can look on chart. Pidilis last time trade like a range only. There is no big movement. There's a chance for breakout tomorrow these levels. So we can buy above 1375 and wait for 5 minutes candle to close above this suggested price, and after that you can take the entry, and the target price is 1387. And if in 5 minutes candle close below 1361, you can take the sell entry, and the target is 1050, sorry, 1350. And this stock, trade carefully. Again, I am telling this is only for educational purpose. Do your own technical analysis before taking any entry. Okay, so that's it guys. If you have any comment, just mention below. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Bye.